Imagine a future where communicating with Mars is as seamless as sending a text message. Blue Origin has an audacious plan to make this a reality, and it's all about their new Mars Telecommunications Orbiter, MTO. This isn't just another spacecraft. It's a game changer, designed to revolutionize how we connect with the Red Planet. But here's where it gets controversial. Blue Origin's ambitious timeline and the potential for commercial involvement in NASA's Mars missions are sparking debates in the space community. Let's dive in and explore the details, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. Blue Origin, the aerospace company founded by Jeff Bezos, has set its sights on supporting NASA's Mars exploration plans during the critical 2028 Planetary alignment launch window. This window is a golden opportunity for space missions because it allows for the most efficient travel between Earth and Mars. To capitalize on this, Blue Origin has unveiled plans for the Mars Telecommunications Orbiter, a cutting-edge spacecraft designed to establish a robust, multi-relay communication hub between Earth and Mars. The MTO, which Blue Origin aims to launch by 2028, is engineered to provide significantly higher bandwidth for spacecraft operating on and around Mars. This enhanced communication capability is crucial for both robotic missions on the Martian surface and in orbit, as well as for future human exploration of the Red Planet. Think of it as upgrading from dial-up internet to high-speed broadband, but for interplanetary communication. And this is the part most people miss. The MTO could be the key to maintaining continuous and reliable communication with Mars, which is essential for the success of NASA's long-term Mars plans, including sample return missions and eventual crewed expeditions. NASA's Mars exploration goals are ambitious, and they require a robust relay infrastructure to keep pace with the aging fleet of Martian orbiters. Currently, most data from Mars is relayed through orbiters like NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, MRO, MAVEN, Mars Atmosphere and Volatile Evolution, and the European Space Agency's ESA, Trace Gas Orbiter. However, these spacecraft won't last forever. Eventually, they will be powered down due to hardware degradation, mission reprioritization, or budgetary constraints, leaving Mars assets without a reliable communication network. This is where the MTO comes in, offering a potential commercial solution to fill that gap. So, what makes the MTO so special? Blue Origin spacecraft is designed to operate several steerable high-rate links, supported by a broad beam that provides wide area coverage. But that's not all. The MTO will also deploy ultra-high frequency, UHF, relay satellites in low Mars orbit. These satellites will support legacy assets, existing spacecraft, and future entry, descent, and landing demonstrations. Think of it as having a network of communication satellites working together to ensure that every piece of data from Mars makes it back to Earth. The MTO is built on Blue Origin's Blue Ring modular satellite bus, an advanced orbiter with independent processing, storage, and AI capabilities. This platform can support over a dozen payloads across multiple ports, making it a versatile and powerful tool for Mars exploration. The spacecraft will use a hybrid thruster system, combining electric and chemical propulsion to enhance its maneuvering capabilities and extend its mission longevity. This hybrid approach allows the MTO to operate more efficiently and effectively, ensuring that it can meet the demands of Mars exploration for years to come. Blue Origin has been vocal about the advantages of their orbiter, stating that its hybrid propulsion, maneuvering capability, and capacity greatly expand the windows for missions to the Red Planet. The MTO's design also incorporates technologies from the company's Mars Next Generation Relay concept and Mars Sample Return (MSR) proposals, offering commercial options for NASA's communication infrastructure. MSR is NASA's plan to bring back to Earth samples collected by the Perseverance rover on Mars. NASA has been aiming to launch key MSR hardware in 2028. But this plan is facing serious challenges due to delays and budget concerns. The next interplanetary launch windows come in 2026 and 2028, and missing the 2028 window could set back NASA's Mars exploration plans significantly. This is where Blue Origin's MTO could play a crucial role, providing the communication infrastructure needed to support NSR and other Mars missions. As of now, NASA has not announced a contract award for the MTO, and the spacecraft remains a proposal within Blue Origin's portfolio of planetary mission spacecraft concepts. However, the potential for commercial involvement in NASA's Mars missions is sparking debates in the space community. Some argue that commercial solutions like the MTO could drive innovation and reduce costs, while others worry about the reliability and safety of relying on private companies for critical space missions. What do you think? Should NASA embrace commercial solutions for Mars exploration, or should they stick to traditional government-led missions? Share your thoughts in the comments below. In the meantime, stay tuned for more breaking space news, the latest updates on rocket launches, sky-watching events, and more. And if you have a news tip, correction, or comment, don't hesitate to reach out to us at community@space.com. Join our space forums to keep the conversation going on the latest missions, night sky events, and more. Josh Dinner is the staff writer for Spacelight at space.com. He is a writer and photographer with a passion for science and space exploration, and has been covering the space beat since 2016. Josh has reported on the evolution of NASA's commercial spaceflight partnerships and crewed missions from the Space Coast, as well as NASA science missions and more. He also enjoys building 1:144 scale model rockets and human-flown spacecraft. Find some of Josh's launch photography on Instagram and his website, and follow him on X, where he mostly posts in haiku.